Hello, I'm standing at the gatehouse, the main entrance to the castle. A special shape has been used here for the opening. Do you recognise it? It's an arch, which is an excellent shape for an entrance.
That's because any weight on the top of the arch is pushed outwards, spreading the load along the curve of the arch. This means our castle builders could build taller structures and use arches to span wide gaps.
Do you see what building material's been used here? It's stone. Why do you think we've used stone to build the castle? Stone is an excellent material for building castles because it's really strong. The stone was dug out of the ground at a place called a quarry, then cut to the right size and shape. Once it was ready, the stone was loaded onto a sledge or a simple cart or wagon and brought to the building site where the castle would start to take shape. A person who works with stone is called a stonemason. And if you do really well at the job, you become a master stonemason, like me. Do you see the towers on either side of the gate? These used to protect the castle. Can you describe the shape of the tower? Why do you think the builders chose this shape? A cylinder-shaped tower is really good at resisting damage from cannonball fire. For instance, if a cannonball hit it, the impact was spread out. So a cylinder is an excellent shape for a defensive tower. How would you describe these castle walls? They're very tall and straight, aren't they? I use this tool to make sure my walls are nice and straight so they don't fall over. This is called a set square. Two pieces of wood joined together with a string that has a lead weight at one end. This is called a plumb line. Now, if I let the string go, it points straight down to the ground because of a force that keeps us all here on the earth. Do you know the name of the force that keeps our feet on the ground and stops us floating off into space? It's gravity. And because of the effect of gravity, I know that my plumb line will always point straight down, so I can use it to check that my walls are straight. I use these tools to carve and shape the stone. This is a metal chisel, and this is a wooden hammer or mel. I also use these tools in another way to make sure I get paid.